The structure of lime ball press directly affects the quality of lime ball forming. Lime ball press forming machine is the main model of roller forming machine. It has a pair of axes parallel to each other, the same diameter. There is a certain gap between each other. Cylindrical type wheel. Type wheel has many shape and size of the same, arranged regular hemisphere nest. Type wheel is the main parts of the forming machine. Driven by the motor, the two wheels rotate at the same speed and in opposite directions when the material falls into the joint between the two wheels at the beginning of compression. The raw material in the corresponding two ball and socket. Between the volume compression, the mold wheel rotates continuously. The ball and socket gradually close, and the forming pressure gradually increases. When the rotation reaches the minimum distance between the two balls and sockets, the forming pressure reaches the maximum. Then the wheel rotation makes the ball and socket gradually separate, and the forming pressure decreases rapidly. When the forming pressure is reduced to zero, the pressed